Hello, Leshark here for your Phuket weekly weather video live from my garden for the last week of February. I apologise, I'm a day late. That's because I was out yesterday, as you can probably tell from my face. I was out on a boat all day yesterday on a secret scouting mission which I can't talk about, but maybe I can talk about it after June. Anyway, let's see. But you want to know what the weather's doing for the last week of February and what tours to go on, and I can apologise a little bit about last week because I did get it a touch wrong about the wind because it got a bit windy at the end of the week, but that's gone now. Look, blue sky up there somewhere and dogs are about to bark and I need to go and get some aloe vera. Hello Vera, which is right there. I'll show you my aloe vera, then we go do the weather. Okay, good. It's going to be a good one, I promise. Woo! Hello Vera. Oh, I'm hairy, aren't I? Anyway, look, that's Vera. She's lovely. She makes this red go not red, which is good. Thanks, Vera. Hello, Jay here. Now, I apologise, I am a day late because normally I would record this on a Sunday. But yesterday I was out on a secret mission, which I can't talk about, but here's a little bit of drone footage of where I was. It's very beautiful out there actually yesterday. It was lovely. It was lovely, 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 and I really enjoyed it. Anyway, you don't care about what I was doing yesterday. You care doggies. Anyway, here we are. We are on Windy app. Sat here in my bedroom on Monday morning, looking at Windy, and look at it. Looks lovely. Now, if you've not seen Windy before, which you should have done because obviously you've watched all our videos and you've liked and subscribed. Yes, I hope you have. Anyway, purple, no wind. Blue, very, very light wind. A little bit of green here, a little bit more light wind. Green, light wind. Yellow, more wind. Orange, more wind. And when you see this guy...
I'm Ron Burgundy.
That's right. When you see Ron Burgundy, it's blowing its boots off. We don't get very many Ron Burgundies here, not this time of year anyway, because it is high season. As you can tell, it's quite hot. Hello, Vera. Lucky for me, I have got aloe vera in my garden. Anyway, make sure you wear sunscreen. I wore 50 SPF. Is that the right thing to say? 50 SPS, and I still got a little bit red yesterday. I was out for 8 hours. It's very nice. Anyway, so this is Windy. This is the app we look at for the wind. Phuket is here in the middle. Doggies, just settle down. I do apologise. My doggies are going for it today. Hey, you two, just settle. Thank you very much. I wish I had a dog trainer best friend. That's right. Anyway, here's Phuket right in the middle. You've got Phang Nga Bay where I was yesterday. Similar Islands are up here. Phi Phi's down here. And you've got Coral Island right down the bottom. You've got Mai Ton. You've got Kai Islands all around here. And as you can see today, as I look at this, for Monday morning on the 23rd of February, it looks lovely. Let's look at Monday afternoon. Wowzers. It's going to be a hot one this afternoon. Make sure you wear sunscreen or go and buy an aloe vera plant. Hello, Vera. How long am I going to do that joke for? The whole thing, I think. Anyway, look, that Monday looks great. A little bit windier in late afternoon, but that's nothing to worry about, and that'll just cool us off a little bit. Tuesday the 24th looks pretty the same. Beautiful, blue everywhere, all down here in Phi Phi here. Lovely in Similan Islands, lovely in Phang Nga Bay, which is gorgeous. Tuesday afternoon, a slight breeze coming in, but once again, really nothing to worry about, and you need a little bit of breeze because it is hot, as you can tell. Let's look at Wednesday the 25th, payday for some people. Wednesday the 25th looks great. I love high season weather. Wednesday afternoon, once again, a slight little bit breeze coming in the afternoon, but really nothing to worry about. Tuesday 26th. Huh? Wowzers. Sorry, is that, no, not Tuesday, Thursday. I got my my THUs and my TUEs mucked up. There's the dyslexia coming out for you. Anyway, Thursday looks really nice. Thursday afternoon, once again, the same pattern that we got for the whole week, I'd imagine. Friday 27th, oh, look at that. Lovely in the morning. Well, let me just guess, a little bit breezy in the afternoon. Oh, yeah, a little tiny bit, but really nothing to worry about. This week looks fantastic-mungo. Saturday 28th. Is it 28 days? Is it a leap year? Or is that 29 days? How many days are there in February? I thought it was... it is 28, and then 29 would be the... So it's not a leap year. Doggy, stop fighting. It's not... Stop! It's not a leap year, so relax. They're eating the monster from... out of the trash can from Sesame Street. What's it called? Is it Oscar? Lives in the trash can. Anyway, they're eating him. Not literally eating him. It's just a toy. I wouldn't let my dogs eat a Sesame Street character because that's wrong. I'm tired. Anyway, look, Saturday 28th looks great. Oh, wowzers, look at this purple here. So this weekend looks fantastic. Sunday, the 1st of March. That's right. It's crazy March hair time. It's the 1st of March. Lots of cool things are happening in March. I don't know what. But I'll come up with something for the next week. But look, it looks fantastic. Sunday and Sunday afternoon. So next week, wind-wise, looks absolutely fantastic. Let's go look at our acute weather. Might not be able to see this. Monday, 33 degrees, 32 degrees, 32, 33. It feels a lot hotter though, trust me. I have got a little note here that next Saturday, there's a 60% chance of rain. But that might be in the evening. We do get a little spot of a little cheeky thunderstorm every now and again, but really nothing to worry about this week. Now, last week, I think I did mention on Thursday it's going to be really windy.
Flashback.
Boy, I wouldn't let my dogs eat a Sesame Street character because that's wrong. I'm tired. Anyway, look, Saturday 28th looks great. Oh, wowzers, look at this purple here.
End of flashback.
It was really windy on Thursday. It blew its old boots off on Thursday. Well, not old boots. It wasn't Ron Burgundy windy, but it was a bit choppy out down towards PP and Ratcha on Thursday. In fact, I didn't go out on Thursday. Decided to go for a nice seafood lunch, which is very nice. In fact, here's a picture of us. Well, not us. That's my parents and my daughter on a long-tail boat after lunch, which is nice, isn't it? Anyway, look, it looks great next week. 35, 36. That's going into March. It's going to get hotter and hotter and hotter, that's for sure. It's going to be a hot one this year. And then finally, TMD weather radar, which is pointless because this is live right now as I record this Monday morning in my bedroom. That's right, you're in the bedroom with Jay. In fact, I can talk about that. I was on Sean 1 last night, or not last night, that sounds wrong. What? I was on Shore 1 yesterday. I was inside him and took him for a nice ride across Pangna Bay. Beautiful it was. Anyway, that's pointless. Tours to go on this week, as you can see, pretty much, well, not as you can see here, but you can go on any tour this week. It all looks fantastic. Bio tour's really good because the moon's really small at the moment, so it's really dark when you go out there, so the bio's really showing up. So if you want to go do that, you can. Or you go to PP, which is really, really nice at the moment. Pangna Bay, I was out yesterday, it is beautiful. Kite Islands are lovely. Oh, they're all great. Even similar little islands. Look, you can even go up to the Similan Islands, which is up here. There you go, look, there's the Similan Islands. Look how nice that looks. Even on Tuesday, tomorrow. Look, beautiful Wednesday. Beautiful Thursday. Beautiful Friday. So Similans is a good one to go on this week. If you're around, you want to go to Similans. Right, there you go. That's your Phuket weekly weather update with me, Jay Leshark, live from my bedroom. A little bit red face. I'm going to go put some aloe vera on. What I did last night is I actually cut the aloe vera and then took off the spiky bits on the edge. And they call it crocodile plant here. Took off the little crocodile bits and then sliced it in half and then put it in the fridge so it's nice and cold. In fact, I'll go and get some and you can watch me put it on if you like. Miguel can put some nice, beautiful, kind of sexy music on while I do my face. How about that? All right, I'll go and do that now because I'll go to the fridge, but that'll be within seconds for you, I think. All right, there you go. That's your Phuket weekly weather forecast update. Me, Jay Leshark, live. And we do daily updates all the time. Sean's out and about at the moment. He's very, very busy on lots of TV shoots, which you can't talk about because he's signed for the NBA. Hello, Michael Jordan. Probably out of focus, but anyway, there you go. Go and check him out. TikToky. That was terrible. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Got it? Good. Right. Hello, Vera.
I'm bringing sexy back. Oh.
Oh. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh, baby. Hello, Vera.